An extremely uneven, cruel war. A pre-decided result, death. 6 elephants are killed countrywide in 13 days. 30 in 1 year. And more than 100 elephants are killed in 2 decades. Elephants are in peril in Bangladesh. How long? How long will these elephants survive in this uneven and unfair war? There are frequent reports on how elephants are destroying and harming people and their homes. But barely enough talks about how illegal human settlements and activities are the major cause of this human-elephant conflict. Elephants are both the exiles of their own land and the victims of conflict. They don't even have access to the water reservoir due to numerous human interference. For this, the herd has to wait a long time until the daylight fades and night falls after dusk and the humans return to their own houses. In the first week of November, the researchers observed an elephant herd of 41 individuals, including several baby elephants, in the bordering areas of Sherpur. After having a good day's sleep beside her newborn, the mother wakes up and shades her kid. Acacia is the only remaining trees to shade them and protect them. The group with baby elephants born in this area, only a few weeks old, gradually comes out from the shade and starts moving towards their drinking site in the afternoon. This herd resides in the bordering areas of Sherpur of Bangladesh and Meghalaya of India. Strong wire fencing in the bordering areas couldn't stop them from visiting their ancestral land, which they used to roam for centuries. As a matter of fact, in the past, they used to come down from the hills of Meghalaya during the cultivation seasons, stay for a few weeks, and then return. But since the last few years, this herd has been spending more time here, the land of lush green vegetation and orchard. Paddy fields in post-monsoon attract these elephants, which prolongs their stay for a few more months this year. After spending the midday rest on the top of the hill, they come down for food and drink. They generally use the same path year after year, even after erosion by landslides. After some keen observation by the adult leader, the rest of the herd follows and crosses the risky route one by one. But alas, these naive elephants couldn't sense the danger. In the valley faced the unruly opponent, local settlers who already grabbed their ancestral land. All the routes followed by the herd are fenced with electric wire, causing fatal death. A cruel war begins during the times of harvesting crops, causing severe human-elephant conflicts on a regular basis. An uneven war starts every afternoon when they come down from the hill. After 3 hours of shell fire and bullying, these elephants get a chance to drink in the dark. All this chaos for some sips of water, a never-ending tragedy.